Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the digestive system, which was taken from the Eastern Cape Education November 2018 exam. So let's jump in. The diagram below shows a diagrammatic representation of the digestive system. So we've got the mouth into the stomach to the small intestine, where we've got these two structures here that are going to feed into it, and then we have the large intestine. So, 151, name the parts of the alimentary canal represented by X. X is pointing to this structure, which will take food from the mouth down into the stomach. That is known as the esophagus. By which process is food moved through structure X? Well, we know the structure X is now the esophagus, and the food moves from the mouth through the esophagus to the to the stomach via a process known as peristalsis. Okay. 153. Name the glands P and Q that release their secretions into the small intestines. So here's our gland P, will release secretion into there, and so will Q. Those two glands are known as the P, we can call P the pancreas, and Q the liver. Last question, name the part of the alimentary canal where the digestion of proteins begin. The digestion of proteins will begin in the stomach, so right up front. So that one is stomach. And that's it. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down below. Until next time, stay epic.